Hello, I'm David Gibbons. 3D technology has been around for a quarter of a century, so I'm talking with the head of Print-Rite's research and development team, Philip So, about their move into this exciting new technology. Philip, thanks for joining me again. We've already spoken about research and development and how the culture and the huge investment at Print-Rite has given the company the ability to move into 3D printing arena. So tell me, Philip, what are Print-Rite's plans?
For 3D printing, we believe it is a good industry. This industry will go very fast. And for 3D printer, it involves a lot of different kind of technology, mechanical, electronics, and also very important is the material. We will expand our resources on this kind of know-how. But of course, some of them we already have. But we also need to add some expertise, especially on the material. We will spend more resources and money on the research and development.
So what aspects of 3D printing are you actually going to be focusing on? You've talked about the materials, but what about the hardware and the software? They're all important parts of 3D printing. To what extent is Print-Rite involved in 3D printing?
You're right. Electronic, the hardware and software is very important. And I think we already have the know-how and the expertise in 2D printing. In 2D printing, we already have built up a lot of expertise and know-how on this. And then now we transfer those people and know-how into the 3D printers to develop the electronic board, the chips, and also the software.
There already seems to be a lot of competition out there in the marketplace, particularly for entry-level printers. Do you think Print-Rite is well positioned to be still here providing and selling printers into the future? I mean, what is your strategy here? Because obviously not everybody is going to survive.
Yeah, you are right. And you know, a growing industry, a lot of companies join the arena. And I think every industry has the same phenomenon. For Print-Rite, we try to do something which is really good. It means the print quality is very important. You print an object, the object should be good dimension, good surface finishing. I think we try to do it the best. The machine is optimized with our material to give the best print quality. And also, we try to make this machine simple, easy for the user to use. For example, to calibrate the machine, to test print the machine. This is kind of function and features. I think we are the one have this kind of special features, which is we learn from the 2D printing.
Philip, do you think HP's recent announcement to get involved in 3D technology is going to make a difference? I mean, what impact is that going to make on the market or in the development or raising the awareness of 3D printing?
First, I think they make the right move. As a technology giant, I believe they have the technology. And the recent announcement, and I think they are trying to deliver a good, a fast, and a good industrial printer to the market. But I believe they still have maybe a long way to go, because they will launch, as I know, next year, not today. They still don't have the mass production yet. But it is a good signal to the market, and more people join the 3D printing arena. I think it is good for this industry to grow. More people will know this, and more people will use and try to use the 3D printer.
So what's the roadmap now for the Kaleido printers? You've brought out your first version, and now you've got your Kaleido 2.0. What is the roadmap for the future?
We launched the first printer to the market at May of this year, and now we already add another 5 models. Totally we have 6 models, and some already launched and some will be launched very soon. And we have different kind of 3D printer for different market segment. We have the desktop 3D printer. We also have the industrial 3D printer for different industry. And recently we successfully provide industrial 3D printer for a shoe making company. They are very happy with our material and our printer. And we also have 3D printer using different technology. We call it the DLP technology to make a very precision 3D objects, which is good for jewel industry. And we will launch very soon. And it means we will develop a full range of 3D printer for different application and different industry. We already have a roadmap for 2015.
So what are the next generation 3D printing materials?
3D printing material is, as I said, is very important. And we already have the PLA, we already have the ABS filament. Besides, we already launched the PLA filament with wood filter to print some object with filling of wood. And we also developed a soft plastic, we call it elastomer filament. It is quite difficult to develop. I think we are one of the pioneer in this kind of filament. And besides this, and we are going to launch more different kind of filament with different application. And besides the FDM filament, we also develop the DLP photosensitive polymer. It means a photo curing polymer for DLP machine. And this is also very not an easy consumable. I think not too many people can make a good photopolymer.
Thanks, Philip. I've been talking with PrintRite's Philip So about PrintRite's move into the world of 3D printing. Thanks for watching. I'm David Gibbons. Thanks.